Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your BMO Harris account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your BMO Harris account, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the BMO Harris Bank website. Look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in button.
On the next page, find the Enroll or Activate Account option, typically located below the login fields.
Click on the Enroll or Activate Account link. You will be directed to the account activation page. Enter your personal information as requested, including your social security number and account number.
Select the type of account you wish to activate, such as checking or savings.
Follow the prompts to verify your identity.
Once your identity is confirmed, create a secure username and password.
Make sure to follow the password guidelines provided. After setting your username and password, you may be asked to set up security questions. Choose questions and answers that only you would know. Once completed, review your information to ensure everything is correct. Click on the Submit button to finalize your account activation.
You will receive a confirmation. Now you can return to the login page and enter your newly created credentials.
Remember to keep your login information secure. Congratulations, your BMO Harris account is now active and ready for use.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.